So to change the air filter, or at least to blow it out, this needs to be done daily. So just screw these off, especially if we're doing our quarterly maintenance, and go ahead and slide off the air filter. So what you're gonna do, make sure not to lose these. These sometimes get lost in the grass. Take your hand and rub all of that dirt off. Now, if you have an air compressor, you can use some like light air to kind of blow this off. Go ahead and take this film off and find a hard surface that you can tap this on, and all that dust will start to come out. And then again, kind of use your fingers, get any kind of dirt and dust off of this. And then we'll go ahead and put the film right back on. Now this air filter is pretty good. It's still yellow, so this one's fairly new. But if this thing starts getting pretty dark gray or even black, then we need to go and put a new air filter on. But this one looks still pretty good. Sometimes you'll get grass and stuff that come in down here. All you need to do is, again, take an air compressor or just blow it out with your mouth, because you don't want the grass to go in this intake hole, because that's going straight to the engine. So we want to make sure this is as clean as possible. So we'll go ahead and put that back on, put our case back on, and then simply screw on our screws just until they're snug.